Struggling with acne? Say goodbye to breakouts with a school trick. In this video, I'll be sharing a simple refreshing technique that can help you achieve clearer skin. The benefits of using ice on your face regularly morning and night are that it eliminates puffiness, especially throughout the eyes. It reduces oiliness, so you can generally understand that when there's less oil on your face, there'll be less pimples and acne. It eases the acne, so it removes the inflammation and it makes your skin glow. Acne is a very common skin condition that causes your skin break out into spots and pimples. It's basically caused when your hair follicles under the skin become clogged. Before we start to ice our face, we have to wash our hands and clean them, wash our face and clean it as well. We should understand that ice cubes that we're using should be made from clean water. And this is really important because if you do not use clean water and if you don't have clean hands and face, then there could be more bacteria on the face and this could be a bad thing. When applying the ice cubes on your face, you have to use 1 or 2 ice cubes at max. We don't want to freeze our face here. We want to use the ice cube and rub it over our face gently, and you have to rub it all over the face so we get the whole area in. The science behind icing your face is that it removes inflammation and it basically makes the face less red and the pimples less red, and this can remove the acne as well in the long term. One of the side effects of icing your face is that it is temporary, it's not permanent. It's better for you to do a routine from a dermatologist or like an online routine, like a skincare routine. It's better for you to do that than ice your face. But if you're going out somewhere and you want your pimples to go away at that night or something like that, you can ice your face. It will remove them temporarily but not permanently. So I would suggest you go to a dermatologist or get a skincare routine which actually works for you. All in all, I ice my face morning and night, and this gives me the maximum room for improvement and removes my acne. I lose every single day, and I highly suggest you should try this as well if you haven't. And comment down below how beautiful you look like without your acne. And subscribe, comment, like, and don't forget to click my next video and get better as a person.